DELMIA Body in White assembly planning for the transportation and mobility industry delivers a 3D experience that lets you design, validate, and ensure the quality of body in white manufacturing specifications. Working directly with the product data from engineering, Body in White assembly planners can deliver to suppliers accurate 3D manufacturing assemblies of parts and assign fasteners. Sending early feedback to the design team about critical fasteners ensures that all weld points can be reached with the minimum number of weld guns, keeping costs under control. The Body in White assembly planner distributes all manufacturing assemblies and spot welds across the stations of the production line to maximize individual station capacities and minimize overall cycle time. A first 3D experience of the Body in White buildup ensures that all stakeholders throughout the supply chain share a common view in the early stages of a car program. DELMIA Body in White assembly planning delivers increased efficiencies through early collaboration that reduce production risks.